Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Dodge. So if you have a Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep guys, Fiat, even Alfa Romeo or Lancia with the automatic transmission guys, and you guys have problems with, let's say, okay, you try to put your transmission in reverse but it's stuck in neutral or it doesn't shift gears all the way. Okay, you need to adjust the lever, okay, to actually shift better. Stay with us and we'll explain what can cause that and how to fix it. Now, especially guys, I've noticed many Dodges, okay, Chrysler and Jeep vehicles. All those vehicles are built by Fiat Chrysler Corporation. They had a recall on the transmission cable and we'll explain what can cause that. And sometimes after a transmission cable replacement, I've noticed that we had vehicles at the shop sometimes that will not shift correctly. We had a few that it says it's in reverse, okay, but actually the car was still stuck in neutral, so you had to just push it a little bit more, and that's irritating guys. So we'll show you how simple it is to fix that. Now, quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos, and that's the case with this Dodge. Why we do all that? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. In addition guys, if you want to buy replacement parts, if you need any replacement parts for your car, tools, anything like that, and you want to save money on that, check out the link in the description of the video below. So we have guys this 2015 Dodge Dart that we have problems with. Okay, let me explain now, okay, what is happening. You may notice now guys, okay, that the car will say that you are in, okay, in reverse, but you're actually not in reverse guys. What will happen, actually you will have to push the lever a little bit more, okay, to engage, or you need to pull the other way a little bit. It may not correspond to what you have here. Your car may be in reverse, but it says neutral or park. It could be guys really complicated sometimes, and it could happen, okay, because of two things. Now let us explain you guys. Many, okay, that design will apply to many Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep and Fiat vehicles guys, and that's because they're built by Fiat Chrysler Corporation. Also Fiat, Lancia, Alfa Romeo, all of them use the same design on newer vehicles. This is your transmission cable guys. Transmission cable, okay, it falls apart sometimes. Okay, that's a recall on many cables that will fall apart and it can come loose, and what will happen, you will not be able to shift, so you have to replace your cable. It will kind of like fall apart. But now let me explain quick here before we continue. You can see guys, you have some adjustment on your cable right here. That's the bolt. So by getting that bolt loose, okay, you can move the cable back and forth. By moving it all the way to the front to the back, that's like two gear indicators levels guys, all the way from reverse to drive guys. So you have to be extremely careful how you adjust it. It will need to be just a little bit, not too much guys, because if you get it too much, it's not good. Watch now, okay, how we can move it. Okay, by moving it like that, you can adjust it. Now, if okay, another thing that you can do, you can actually move it with the gear indicator too, or just with a screwdriver, pry it, adjust it where it needs to be, and go ahead guys and get it tight. What I usually do, we put it in park, okay, and in park we get it loose, and you shouldn't have any tension, okay, with the transmission being engaged in park. And after that, get the bolt tight, okay, and once you get that bolt tight guys, okay, you will need to, okay, like ours, okay, like that, okay, that's what we need right there. So we need to get it a little bit tight, and we're going to test it guys and make sure that it shifts every gear like it should. Otherwise you come here and you readjust it until you get to that sweet spot where your car will shift gears with no problems. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do something like that. Please guys subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.